All right, we have the BMW xDrive45e. This is the plug-in hybrid. And we're testing it today with the Tesla solar Powerwall system. So, got some good solar going right now, 10 kilowatts. House is using 3 kilowatts roughly. Powerwall's recharging. And so I have here on the wall for the BMW, I have a Tesla wall connector. It's the new one, the Gen 3, but this one's cheaper than the other things. And what we have with it is from Electron, I'll put a link in the description, adapter. And this will allow a Tesla wall connector. Let me just hook them together. All right, so the BMW is now plugged in. Tesla wall connector is talking to the car and communicating, charging. Now the Tesla wall connector goes up to 48 amps, but BMW only allows 16 amps. So, and the max range I've seen has gotten up to 40 so far. But we'll see. I like it so far. 124 miles on the car. 16 amps, so it works. You can charge a BMW with a Tesla system. And let's see what the consumption is on the solar now. Solar's producing 12.2, house is consuming 7.3, about 3.6 or 3.7 of that is the BMW consumption. So about half of that home consumption in blue is the BMW. Anyways, it all works. I like it.